Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to switch from a personal account to a business account on your TikTok app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. If you're serious about your TikTok account, then you should switch from your personal account to a business account. This will give you performance metrics, audience insights, and creative tools for your TikTok account, which could be useful in your business. So to switch to a business account, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the profile tab at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on manage account. Now if you look down below, you'll see an option to switch to business account. Tap on it. Here TikTok will let you know the benefits of becoming a business account. Go ahead and read all that and then press next. Choose a category to which your services or products relate to. Once you've done that, then press next, and then you have successfully switched from a personal account to a business account. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.